I noticed it going about 3 years ago, and it was just one of them. My wife's a model for a living, and she took a photograph, and I noticed it on the photograph more than anything. Just one of those things. Out of everything in life, it's always been my hair that I've been bothered about, so it was the first thing that I noticed that I thought, I want to keep that. I looked online. I spent, I know it doesn't sound long, but I spent a full day researching clinics and ringing them up and talking to them before actually making an appointment to go see one. Very good, to be fair. Went in, chatted with him for a while, got rid of some misconceptions and basically put my mind at rest. It was perfect. There was no pain, just slight little jabs for the anaesthetic, but that was it really. No pain whatsoever. In fact, I think I fell asleep 3 times through it. The post-operative, to be fair, I didn't have any problems at all. You know, I mean, I did exactly what it said on the pamphlet, what they gave you afterwards. So I just, you know, dabbed it, dried it, just didn't rub it, did everything it said really, and just kept on going and doing what it said. I'd say the first 2 days there was nothing at all. Then the 3rd and 4th day, I got a swelling round sort of the eye and under the eyes. But that goes fairly quickly, does that. Obviously you're having something done with your head and just above your forehead sort of thing, so you expect some type of swelling. But after that went down, there's been no problems whatsoever. It really started growing well for the first 3 weeks, and then all of a sudden it drops out, and then you're sort of thinking, oops, have I done something wrong here? And then you go back to your information that you've been given and you read it all, and it tells you exactly that that's what's going to happen. And then it just started growing then, I'd say normal rate as my hair grows, which is normally fairly quickly. And I'd say within 3 months there was you know, you could really notice it. It hasn't changed my life at all, to be fair. It doesn't make me feel any different. It just, knowing that it's there is good enough for me. I'm not bothered what other people think. It was all down for me, myself, my own, you know, it's what I wanted. You know what I mean? When I go to the mirror, I can brush my hair. Don't suffer. Go see somebody, have a chat with somebody, let them put their mind at rest. Basically, if you can afford it, all well and good, get it done there and then, but if you're in a position to get finance, get finance. It will make you feel better.